This is Richard Clarke with another session of Mindfulness with Richard. Let's start off with a few minutes of mindfulness. Mindfulness is present moment awareness, paying attention on purpose in the present moment, non judgmentally. Feel your breath in and out. Fully receive whatever is experienced, then let it go. All right, today I'm going to talk to you about a basic principle of mindfulness. It is that you start where you are. You learn to just notice what is there without reacting to it. You open to what is there without criticism or looking for something different, without clinging to it or running away from it. Then, when it passes, you let it pass. You can decide that you're gonna embrace your own experience as it is. Your aim is living life fully. This is the biggest step of all in your meditation practice. The rest is just detail. If you really start doing this, you notice that meditation is not just when you sit, but meditation practice is how you live your life, moment by moment by moment. Every single moment is a door into wakefulness and awareness. And this door is not somewhere else. It starts where you are right now, where you are, who you are, how you manifest in the world. It does not start by wanting to get somewhere else, some other place or condition or circumstance, not some other mental state. You start where you are, just bare experience, awareness itself, and open-hearted wakefulness. Now we have a video named Be the Pond. This was made for teaching mindfulness to children. I think it has a good message for us, too.
Hello, welcome to the Cosmic Kids Zen Den, your place to help you learn how your mind works and what you can do to keep yourself feeling happy and healthy. This is Jack. Jack is going to help us today by doing the Zen Den with us. First, let's get comfy. Sitting here, cross-legged on the floor, long tall backs and shoulders relaxed. Or, if you prefer, sit on a chair. If you are sitting on a chair, sit tall, both feet on the floor, back nice and long, and shoulders relaxed. Get your position sorted. And when you're ready, take some nice deep breaths. In through your nose and out through your mouth. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Good. After a few breaths, you should start to feel nice and calm and relaxed. Now, I'd like you to imagine that you and your mind is a big, lovely pond. In that pond are lots of different kinds of fish. These are your feelings, all swimming around together. There's a happy fish, a sad fish, a sleepy fish, an excited fish, an angry fish, a worried fish, a playful fish, a calm fish, a kind fish, a selfish fish, So many fish, so many feelings, all swimming around the pond. Your job here is just to be the pond. Be the pond. It's wonderful being the pond because you can just watch all your different feelings just swimming by. All of them are okay. Every feeling is welcome. You be the pond and let the fish be the fish. No need to do anything with those feelings except watch them swimming around. See if you can be the pond now and just watch. Seeing what kind of feelings you're feeling. They just swim past. And you can just watch them. Remember, be the pond. Just be the pond. And if we follow this special Zenden exercise, we are usually okay. Just watching all the fish swim around. Except sometimes we might feel like it's hard to let them just swim by. We might stop being the pond and find we've become one of the fish, like the angry fish. And when that happens, we might find ourselves saying or doing something that hurts other people. But we're not the angry fish. We're the pond. Be the pond. Slowly we start to come back to the here and now. Isn't it interesting how many different kinds of fish we all have swimming around in our pond? So we practice just being the pond. And when you feel like one of your fish has taken over, just say to yourself, be the pond. This will help you come back to having all your feelings just swimming around happily together. Thanks, Jack, for your help today. And thank you for doing this Zenden. You really are becoming a true Zenden master each time you practice. I'll see you again soon for more Cosmic Kids Yoga and Mindfulness. Bye-bye.
Now we will have our final meditation. Feel your breath in and out. Let yourself be just what you are. You don't need to do anything else. You don't need to be anything else. Just be here, now, and feel your breath in and out. Now we'll have a short chant. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om. Peace, peace, peace. Thank you for joining us, and I hope to see you in the next session. Namaste.